Masinwi Sophia. I watched him 7 to 8, 9 minutes videos email after watching that video fake NEC even Kuruna. Indeed, Omewelu Machekwe Onyota na ye. You started by saying that ne address Southeast content creators, right? That when you address them, that they refer to me because Namabro one of them. Bravo. That namu me video. Even na Governor Sorudoku. But na name that video. Now also someone of my family career. Well, you also said, I'm just telling you the point and pick up from that time. Yeah, he email all those time. You also said that na Owapashere 100 and something thousand followers say can jagi on na group of the content creators. Well, let me start by telling you that for the fact that me worked that time, I know you people. I'm a wunde they claim no na Southeast content creators. No, wunde will followers. No. I'm no go who a nobody. You dare not reply to me. I know. You will not even put my picture and start talking about me. Me, no one ezugable anybody. Now, na ezugo a nobody. That you will not put my picture and start talking about me. Because people will now go and start trying to know who this ezugo. But him go. Nezugo wezugo. And nezugo that is why each weighty picture address yam. Because we add nothing or take away anything from me. That one aside. Talking about followers in Ebu. My brother, 242,000 followers in well. You have been na this platform over 3 years before I made my first broadcast. I hope you know. It no go before ever. Ncheta itself, iba camera. Me anything. And I'm watching it being a switch for my log. What I go? Now I say people hasten on. All in the name of Nena art content art. The script I Google the script to go hand us here. I was even there. And what you know will you that name Massimo Sofia. You could go Massimo Sofia or you are now a blogger. You are no more acting. You are no more a skit maker. You are now blogging. Okay, Gayari Uzo, a white camera. But if I do a man who you are acting skit, in all go na this social media app, more ways to go way better. 1 year and 2 years into way better, and on 144 going to 145,000 followers. Aside that followership, my brother, one-on-one. Let us even take away followership because 42,000 followers is not equal to 2.2,442,000. It is not even equal to 24 million. What I go? So, side by side, man to man. What I go? You are a boy. What if you what I go? So I'm sorry to say this. It also who decide let me reduce you a bit. What I go? Some of you nde tagidola hafo me build the page kunu weri chineke melu na ebele Facebook na akwụchari unu little money here and there. You know kati iko chetakwa of endorsement I akwu 600,000 or 1 million enwuri ya esi ofe irie ichenji akwa ọ na-eme unu eche na onye ọhụrụ unu fụlụ gbanyere kamera na unu na-eha. Unu na-eche na onye ọhụrụ unu fụlụ gbanyere kamera apịa na screen na-ekwu okwu na omegonu ka unu na onye ahụ halụnụ. Ịghọtago? Now let me still go back to the matter on the ground with regard to VDM. Ịghọtago? Because I notice na some of you content creators nda who the actual content creators na-eme matter na Facebook ha wee the two side. Mara ebe criticism ya akado more. Mara ebe ọnọdụ ka ọ dive na one side ozugbo ka ọ chọkwa followers man o nwere more ratels ndị ya follow so ka afia wee ka na azụ. My brother, I am not a coward like you. Ikwulu say na mo gbanyere camera kwuo for how long? Na no so mo na my family no ife nnekwu. My brother, you heard me. You have just portrayed yourself as one big content creator with 1.something million followers. The fact is that na time nji we meet some of you nili si followers ya. Omokwa nde nili si followers ya mgbe aha ka bidoro ebido. Tata elubo 1 million, elubo 2 million. Mana aye man onwe nde no 4.something million followers. Untouchable with 5.something million followers. Very humble. Untouchable. Iyafu yebe ọ na-eme gragra. Yet nwoke ezurezu na mmadụ. Untouchable nwere ego. Untouchable nwere followers. Untouchable nwere contact. Untouchable nwere ife niile. There are so many of them like Luxeus ha. Ndị nwere ngalaba. Ndị nwere physical something na na-afụ anya outside numbers do na Facebook. You cannot see hear them. Oh, ngwa ya awụ mpụta agwafe ngebe nọ n'Eastern Mass abamoti na-eje bi na-eje. Ịghọtago? Iwolu numbers elu ho half gonu. Iwolu ya na isi inwe followers 242,000 followers. Ka iji a na isi. Man untouchable ha nwere 5.something million. Look at Luxeus ha. Look at ndị nwere followers who follower. Nwecha followers jide ego n'enu ya. Ha nwere followers jide ego ebe a na-asị na mmadụ nwere ego nwa ọgwụ. Ihe anụ onufa also ụmụ bekee Facebook jobbers onwere outside. If we know it's a career for you people. You ended up after talking. You are still unable to call out Governor Soludo. You are a coward. I'm not a coward, my brother. How I wish you know. But you heard me. Alpha and Omega blogger. What makes you believe that even Soludo I am Ifenkuru? I still maintain Ifenkuru. Speak for yourself. When you say that na Southeast content creators no paketa na Soludo na VDM meshironu ko we marifende ba iye, I will tell you that na him a capable men, and our men are speaking up. Men who are men are speaking up. Men who are men are speaking up. When some guys take it to the street and they started demonstrating, when only lead that demonstration, VDM did not lead them. You said he came during the time of Fish Magnet and he led a protest. When only lead didn't protest na Onisha. They led themselves on a protest to show you that Naik and we men no Buddha. So you can choose to be a coward no. It is your business. Don't you ever generalize everybody to be a weakling like you, my brother. Na government no anybody no na my family nwere ike ibelum. That goes a long way to show me the kind of family some of you snare wepụta, and I don't blame you. I don't blame you. How unu si adeji the kind of family unu snare pụta, when they generalize the family ndị ọzọ snare wepụta, na do very ridiculous. Honestly, I'm telling you to be frank. You gotta go. I'm telling you, you gotta go. So now the fact is that I have done what if it shows you don't have ball. After all, you know, so when we now start talking about men, I don't surprise when you say that now so video woman enough when he came to challenge Anambra State government in Amogodo now so shuffle. So they go to go. So why did I even reply you in the first place? Why did I even reply you in the first place? At least I let it be on record that I did what you couldn't do. Yes, I did yeah emeru mi fengu nwawo masi mu isofia emenwuho, and that placed me and the VDM side by side, because at least we encourage epota me video run a broadcast address ya governor of Anambra State imenwuhe. So give me my flowers, man. Give me my flowers, man. Ezugo is not a guy name. Odogwu is not a guy name. Give me my flowers. Una na tebogari onwunu. Ụfọdụ ndị content creators so doko onu reduce onwe ha to pop VDM. VDM me una na eti mkpu enu na eti mkpu na reduce page unu enwuruzi ifo o pass nwere ide eme. Script ka ị na art opozi ya art blocking ekwu eme. Iwe reduce onwe na ịbụrụzi nwoke no VDM ya wo nwe ife na-eme na ana Igbo. VDM abịazie na ana Igbo onwe nke na-eme na binibe ha. Kedu ife ị na-eje with all that your huge platform 242,000 in a brag onwe ife iji nwunye emenwuru ndị Igbo. Kedu ife iji nwunye emenwuru ndị Igbo if you cannot speak to government, if you cannot speak to power? Kedu ife iji zi eme? It is useless to us now. You have just said it yourself now. Your platform is useless to us. If you cannot use it to address the government, speak to the government, it is useless. Can I GMA? Can I GMA? Or that guy for calling them with 300,000 followers out and say to anything. And the followers are easy. Or if you memu as a man can tell. Can you feel memu as Mamoka as a man? As a Sofia. Can you feel memu if you memu can tell? I just decide I can well for the fact that they respond to me. It shows that I'm somebody. I'm somebody after all. You know go? That is it. All the writers yeah they share up. How they share up people reduce burumweha. Now how bros anything. All hoping on VDM. Not people like us who know that we can fight our own fight. Yes, we can fight our own fight. We can fight our own fight. This is Ezugo. Share this video.